Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you reinstall the Flex app and now it's treating you like a brand new user, asking you to start over from the beginning, even though it recognized your email as already registered? Here's the fix. This happens because Flex app stores your session token locally and reinstalling clears it. So the app technically does not know that you're already logged in even though your account still exists on Flex servers. On the screen after reinstalling, tap get started or enter your phone number. Do not tap create account, enter the phone number associated with your existing Flex account. Flex will send you a verification code by SMS, and after entering it, you will be taken directly back to your existing account. If you do not receive the code, tap having trouble logging in with the email. On the verification screen, use your linked email address instead. Your account, rent history and payment settings are still intact on Flex end. This is purely a local session issue, not an account reset. So all you've got to do is do not tap create account, enter your existing phone number, get the code, and you're back in your account. So that's all you've got to do. Subscribe for more Flex fixes.